to say goodbye, and I don't know what it all means, but since I survived I realized wherever you go.
Ay,